Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Google Docs dark mode. So just open up a new tab on Google, search up Google Docs dark mode, and what we're going to do, we're going to install this extension from the Chrome Web Store. So click on the first link, it's called Google Docs dark mode, and it has over 800,000 users. As you can see right here, click on add to Chrome. This is the icon. Click on add extension, and it will go ahead and download it to your Chrome. And once it is downloaded, we can come here and pin this. There we go. Now I come back here to Word. Just go ahead and click on this to activate it. Then just refresh your page. Okay, once it's activated, anytime you open a Google Docs, it will be in dark mode. So here we go. If I click here, you will see, let's go ahead and close this. If I click here, it will turn back to day, okay, or light mode. If I do this, it is back to night or sleep mode. And here, if I want to turn the page to dark mode as well, I can go ahead and toggle this one, okay, to turn this to dark mode. And if you want to get rid of these options here, you can come to your settings, and always you can come and toggle this one off, always show controls, okay, and you will only be able to see this after you go ahead and click on that extension again, okay, then that will disappear once you refresh the page. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.